go soon. Gonna do a bit of skating then? Have a little go on your own. Show me how you do it on your own. Skate a bit. Go on. Please. I can show Teresa then on video. Go on then. I want you to skate a little bit on your own. Show me how you skate on your own. You're supposed to be practising for kindergarten. No, but you can, then you'll be able to show the teachers Wednesday. Look what I can do now.
Get your ice cream and eat it.
I'm trying to video you, you know. You don't come too close. Yeah, alright. Go on, because we're going to go and skate, because we're going to... No, not on the snow, on the ice.
I'm going to get some ice cream.
Yes, man, don't put it in your mouth. Dogs might have weed on it. Yuck. Whee! Yeah, don't touch. Careful. Go on. Get up. You've got to learn to get up. Don't go over where they're playing hockey because you get in their way. Go, you're going to do some skating because we're going in a minute.